What's happening? I'm JC Agajanian, broker associate with Whissel Realty Group at EXP, standing in front of my newest listing at 3189 Corte Carlazzo in the exclusive community of Lago in Chula Vista. Let's go in and take a look. There are a ton of features I'd like to highlight in this home, but we've got to keep it brief, so I'm going to give you some of my favorites. We're going to start right here in the kitchen. We've got a giant granite island, perfect for entertaining, complete with all stainless appliances and a 6-burner stove, right off your dining room, family room, with a great view of your private outdoor living space. The next thing I've got to point out is this amazing master suite. Before we even talk about this space, the ensuite is quite impressive. The closet alone could be a bedroom. It is huge. It flows directly into a great master bath with soaking tub, shower stall, dual vanity that flows straight into this space right here. Basically a living room inside your bedroom. We've got room for couches, entertainment center, and still plenty of space for a giant king 4-poster bed and a bedroom set. But the most impressive piece is right out here. Your master suite opens up onto a private balcony overlooking this meticulously landscaped outside space that you got right in front of you. The final features I just had to point out to you are out here in the backyard. As you can tell, it is just amazing. And a lot of properties in this price point have great pools, but do a lot of them have stacked stone wall to an upper level with water features coming not over the wall, but also through the wall, in addition to this raised level hot tub so you can oversee everything, not to mention the Baja shelf right in front of you for hanging out on a hot summer day. Well, this is fantastic. On top of that, we've got a custom Palapa King exterior kitchen, which is just amazing. We've got leathered granite tops, multiple stainless appliances. We've got a propane grill in addition to a charcoal grill. We've got Cabo style hanging bar stools, making this outdoor-indoor experience fantastic. But it doesn't stop there. Behind me, we've got not only a putting green, but a pitching spot to go from there into the putting green, and a full-size bocce ball court just off to the side, overlooking this amazing view of the mountains and other neighborhoods in the distance. Thanks for taking the time to check out this impressive property with me. If you got any questions about it, or anything else for that matter, feel free to give me a call or text me at 619-369-2915. Love to talk with you soon.